Getting overwhelmed by old notification cluttering your phone? Want a cleaner notification panel that highlights only the most recent alert? Let's use the old notification filter to automatically group less relevant alert at the bottom of your notification panel on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification, tap Advanced Settings, then tap Filter Notification. Now turn on the toggle next to Old Notification. When this option is on, it will filter out notifications received more than a few days ago and move them into a group at the bottom of your notification panel, so your fresh alert always stay on top. It's perfect if you get tons of messages, app alerts, and system notification, but only want to focus on what's recent. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.